Can a bulldozer bucket stop bullets? Let's test it. Can you block bullets by hiding behind the bucket of a bulldozer? Many movies show this scene, but today, I'm going to put it to the test. First, let's try the Beretta pistol firing 9mm bullets. When I got closer, I saw that the bullets only managed to scrape off some rust on the bucket's surface. Next, I brought out the Smith & Wesson 500 BAM Fissenthals Magnum to see if its sheer power could make a difference. Time to step it up with a 12-gauge armor-piercing shotgun round. The impact was huge, leaving multiple dents, but the bucket still refused to be pierced. Let's crank up the intensity with the Desert Tech MDR2 rifle, firing 5.50 mm rounds. And finally, a hole appeared. But looking through it, I realized the bucket's thickness wasn't much. Now, the old man stopped pretending. It was time for the finale, the Barrett M82 50 BMG. Back to the test. 2 armor-piercing rounds from the Barrett couldn't fully penetrate. The old man figured that the bucket's angled surface was deflecting the impact. So, can a bulldozer bucket stop bullets? Yes, but not forever. What other crazy tests should I try next? Let me know.